Hey Weston, this is Richard here at Tameron Honda in Hoover. First and foremost, I want to thank you for your recent internet inquiry on our brand new 2018 Honda Accord EXL. Got that right here. I can't wait to show you all the different features, including full LED headlights. You got your alloy wheels, you got your breakaway side mirrors, and you got your Honda Sensing Driver's Assist Suite, which include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking system, and lane departure warning. So many features I can't wait to show you in person, so give me a call, 205-541-2862. I'll have the car pulled up, ready for you and I to take it for a spin. Make sure you love everything about it and make this the easiest car buying experience possible. Again, I'm Richard at Tameron Honda in Hoover, 205-541-2862. I can promise you one thing, when you get to Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated.